Here is Moshiko with Golden View Renovation. We are here in Los Altos. Let me show you our beautiful remodel and the client experience.
Well, when I bought the condo, it hadn't really been updated. And it looked a little bit Midwestern and a little bit old, and I really wanted to make it nice and not live through the process. So everything was done up front before I moved in, and that was a great way for me to do it. The bathrooms and the kitchen were 25 years old, and it wasn't top quality at that time. And the walls are sort of a creamy yellow, so I wanted a little bit cooler feeling to the room, and you see this sort of grayish, a little bit brown paint, and some really nice dramatic fireplace surround, with dramatic tile, newer appliances. I like to cook, I don't like to make reservations, so I wanted something that I could work with. I really wanted a design build approach and somebody that had the size of organization where they could take care of it. Some of the renovation companies I looked at, it was just one person, and then they would go out there and bring in others. Where Golden View, they had a team, and I felt that they could really do it on their own. I was really pleased and very happy when I found Golden View. They brought in an interior designer to work with, so that helped the process. I knew where I wanted tile and the sort of appliances I wanted, and a general feeling for cabinets. He took me around to key suppliers that Golden View has good relationships with. He had great contacts with the design people inside those showrooms, and it was a pretty quick process. Moshiko was great. I'd send him an email, he would send responses back to me. He was great on taking pictures. Since I was out of town most of the time, he would take pictures to show me exactly what the situation was. When I got here a couple months ago and it was finally all installed, it was just amazing. It was better than I expected. It's the best experience I've ever had with a contractor.
If you're planning to renovate your home, please feel free to give us a call today. We would love to help you.